Hey boys and girls, as you can see, concrete truck is here, and yeah, we have begun. Concrete going down. Get down, Zoomy. Why are you jumping all on me? Zoomy jumping all on me. But as you can see, the guys have started out to the back end of the building, pouring that concrete. Looking amazing. I got Mr. Sunny on the other side. Old father-in-law. Old Papa Granddaddy. He's seeing the guys off, see how they doing the work. And Mr. Angel over there. Guys, we're having a ball out here this morning. We are having a ball out here at SunShine way. So what I want to say to you guys is that if you like what you see, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll get some more videos out to you guys as soon as possible.